Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 8.1 of NCERT textbook. So let's begin from the question number 1. This is given. Explain each of the following expression. The first 1 minus 2x over pound 5. Okay. So by using binomials theorem, we explain 1 minus 2x power 5. We have by using binomial theorem, we have this is 5C0 first term 1 power 5 and into second term 2x power 0. Okay, the value of power 0 is 1. Okay, so we no need to write the second term over here and minus 5C1 first term is 1. Okay, the first quantity go on decreasing order and the second quantity go on increasing order, increases by 1. Okay, and second quantity is decreases by 1 in successive term. So this is power 4 and second term this is 2x power 1 plus 5C2 first quantity 1, this is 1 by power 3 and second 2x square minus 5C3 and this is 1 by power 2 and second quantity 2x by power 3 and next term is plus 5C4 5C4 1 to the power 1 and second quantity is 2x to the power 4 minus this is a C to the power 5 1 to the power 0 means 1 and second quantity 2x to the power 5. Okay, the extension of binomial theorem containing one more term. Okay, one more. Okay, the total number of term in the extension of binomial theorem is equal to one more than the given indices. Okay, if indices 5, the total number of terms will be 6. We count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and second, if any expansion of a minus b form, such type of expansion contain alternating positive and negative term. Okay, so here we can see alternate positive and negative, and each expansion the first quantity and second quantity, these indices of first and second quantity is equal to the indices or power of the given expression. Okay, means 1 minus 2 x power 5, then 1 to power 4 and 2 x power 1 is equal to 5. So the solution is 5. Okay. Now evaluate this. Okay, the value of 5c0 is 1 and square upon 1 to power 5 is 1, minus 5c1, the value of 5c1 is 5 and 1 is 1 and 2x plus 5c2, we can simplify here. 5c2 which is equal to factorial 5 upon factorial 2 and factorial 3 is equal to 5 into 4 by 2 equal to 10. Okay, so value of 5c2 is 10 and this is 4x square minus 5c3. So 5c3, again the value of 5c3 is 10 and this is 2 to the 4, 8 x to the power 3 plus 5c4, the value of 5c4 is 5 and 2x upon 4, 2 to the 16 x to the power 4 minus 5c1 1 this is 32 x to the power 1 into 1 is 1 minus 5 to the 10 x plus 40x square minus 80x to the power 3 plus 80x to the power 4 minus 32 x to the power 5. Okay, 1 minus 10x plus 40x square minus 80 square 80x to the power 3 plus 80x to the power 4 minus 32 x to the power 5. Okay, so this is the expansion of 1 minus 2x to the power 5. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 1. Okay, now move to the second question of exercise 8.1. Okay, expand 2 by x minus x by 2 of power 5. Okay, 2 by x minus x by 2 of power 5. So by using binomial theorem over here, by using binomial theorems, by using binomial theorem we have this is 2 by x minus x by 2 of power 5. So this will be expanded by binomial theorem 5c0 into 2 by x power 5 minus 5c1 2 by x, 2 by x, the first quantity decreases by 1 in successive term. Okay, so 5, this is a 4, and second quantity go on increases 1 by 1 in all successive terms. Okay, so second quantity, this is x minus 2 power 1 plus 5c 2 by x, okay, 2 by x power 3 into x by 2 power 2 minus, this is 5c 3 2 पे पावर x पावर 4 and x by 2 okay 5 4 3, this is a 2 and x by 2 power 3 plus 5c4 into 2 by 5c4 into 2 by x power 2 by x power 1 and x by 2 power 4 minus 5c5 and this is x by 2 upon 5. Okay, so this is the expansion by using binomials theorem. The value of 5c0 is 1 and this is 2 upon x square means 32 by x to the power 5 minus 5c1 is 5 and this is 16 by x to the power 4 into x by 2 plus 5c2, the value of 5c2 10 and this is 8 by x to the power 3 into x by 2 whole square means x is square by 2 to the 4 minus 5c3, the value of 5c3 this will be minus 10 into 2 by x square means whole square means 4 by x square into this is x to the power 3 by 2 to the 4 to the 8. Okay, x to the power 3 by 8 plus 5c4, the value of 5c4 is 5 and this is a 2 by x into x to the power 4 16 minus 5c5, the value of 5c5 this is 1 and this is x square, sorry, x to the power 5 by 2. Okay, so now reduce some terms in the expressions. Okay, so this is 32 by x to the power 5 minus here 5 into 16 80 Okay, 2 8 2 8 जा 16 and 8 5 into 8 40 and x 1x cancel out, so this is 40 upon x to power 3. Okay, 40 upon x to power 3 plus, okay, here 4 2 जा 8 10 2 जा 20 and we can cancel out 2x and 2x, so this is 20 upon x. Okay, 20 upon x. And the next term, this is minus, here 4 2 ja 8 and 2 5 ja 10 and x square and x to power 3, 2x cancel out, so here we are left 5 and 5 by, okay, this is 5 and x square. Okay, so 5 x square 5x next plus here 2 8 the 16. Okay, so this is 5 by 8 and x to power 3 and x to power 3 plus 5 by 8 x to power 3. Okay, this is x to the power 3. Okay, and minus x to the power 5 upon x to the power 5 upon, this is 32. X to the power 5 upon 32. Okay, so 32 upon x to the power 5 minus 40 upon x to the power 3 plus 20 upon x minus 5x plus 5 upon 8 x to the power 3 minus x to the power 5 upon 20, 32. Okay, so this is the expansion of two binomials 2 by x minus x by 2 power 5. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 2. So dear children, I hope after watching this video we will clear the concept of binomials theorem, how we can use binomials theorem in the given question. Okay, so thanks to everyone.